Here's our biker's hot tip of the week, or year, or month, day. If you, on your existing wiring loom, your indicator packed up, right, and you bought a new one and it didn't work, this is the reason why. Right, that indicator unit there, which I've got there, is the existing or original Yamaha XS650 indicator unit. So if I wire it up as it should be, let me zoom out a little bit. That's how it's wired up in the wiring loom. So you've got on this plug, don't see it, on this plug, you've got a, let me turn it off a second. You've got a live feed which comes in here, and the live goes through the indicator unit to this feed here, and I believe this little yellow and black, or is it yellow and black? Yellow and black goes off to the light checker. Not 100% on that, can't remember now. But I think it goes off to the light checker. But there are your two, live and feed or load. Them wires there, and that's how they're wired in to the existing indicator unit for the XS650. Right, so you go off and you buy a new indicator unit. Right, so you wire it up the same. Nothing happens. You don't get any joy. So when it's wired up exactly the same, new indicator unit, it don't work. So you're thinking maybe that's fucked. I'll order another one. So you go and spend another tenner on another indicator unit. But that's not the case. And these indicator, the later ones, what you need to do is chop the wires, or chop the plug off like I did on my bike, and put a couple of terminals on. And then this wire here has got to go on the opposite. Now it's got to go on the opposite side. And there you get your indicators working. So they're wired up totally different. On the new ones, this terminal here, the P, that goes to the dashboard lights, but you don't need that on XS because they're built into the loom on these two wires here. So there's your new wiring opposite each other. Old wiring, one on the side, one on the top. Yeah, as you see, there's not enough load on that. There's not enough load on this unit to keep them going properly. And there's another reason for that it won't work properly, these old ones, is because the bulbs that these were designed for were 27 watt, not 21 watt. I think it might even say that, wouldn't it? Yeah, that 27 watt by 2 bulbs and a 3 watt dash light. These are 21 watt. 21 watt. You can have 21 watt, 2 21 watt bulbs and 2 5 watt dash lights. So I don't know what we want 2 for. So, and there you go. There's your indicators.